The release of iOS 18 has introduced a low possibility of compatibility issues with certain aftermarket screens. These issues include black screens, no touch, or glitching screen. The issues have only been observed on these models. So, why would this happen? It turns out that the IC data on these screens is no longer compatible with the new protocols introduced in iOS 18. If you've encountered these issues, this video will help you fix them. By updating the IC data using a specialized programming tool, you can restore full compatibility with iOS 18. Here's what you'll need: a programming tool, adapter boards or clamp probe, each for a specific model. We'll demonstrate the programming using iPhone 13 Pro. For step-to-step operation guide, please contact our sales representatives. Extract the zip file, or insert the USB drive containing the file. Connect the programming tool to the computer. Right-click this PC, and select Manage. Select System Tools, Device Manager. Select Other Devices, Unknown Device, Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Locate the driver file directory. Wait for the driver installation to complete. The programming device is successfully added to the Device Manager. Connect the clamp probe to the programming tool. Clamp the probe on the screen to establish a secure connection. Deactivate any antivirus software. Locate the decompressed folder and run the programmer.bat file. Select Open an existing programmer project and click Browse. Select the right folder for iPhone 13 Pro. Select the version of the file. Choose the XCF file. Click OK. Click the Start button to start programming. Wait for the programming to complete. Remove the screen and test it on the phone. If the issue persists, try other file versions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.